Hi there, welcome to an unboxing episode on Y Team Hotwheels. Today, we shall be unboxing and reviewing a new tooling from Mini GT, a Land Rover Defender 110 series, a quite significant and classy model done by TSM model, a Land Rover Defender 110 country station wagon, released last March 2021. This TSM model was preceded as the first version as a country wagon. This diecast model is popular among collectors, which is a great appeal collector like myself. So let's get out this model and check it out. Beginning the packaging. This box is slightly wider than other Mini GT packagings, seen more usually in premium models like limited edition line. However, it does have a new box design layout. At the rear of the box, we can find a standard model literatures. As this casting got an official licensed product hologram sticker. Unboxing the model is pretty straightforward, and here it is. Out of the box, a brand new Land Rover Defender 110 country station wagon grey. Right from the back, steep stance, long wheelbase of this model. The paintwork is outstanding, it's racing green. Main body color extraordinary white rooftop and finished top with side classy decals. The box body of this Defender is due to box frame chassis, which is used for off-roading and for safaris. Let's get a closer look at this model. Beginning with wheels. As expected, the wheels of the Defender roll smoothly. The quite expected the details of the tires with highly tread sharpened grips. I really like the brand for best detailing casting that I collect. Check out the precision done in these wheels. A lethal outer lip layer coupled with retro style 5-bolt lock system. It's an unremarkable. Let's check out a front end of this Defender. Beginning with headlights. These headlights are very distinct, almost proprietary to the Land Rover Defender 110. Other notable feature is detailed front grille, nicely painted turn signals and a badging of Land Rover 110. Now let's check out the rear of the car. It has a similar spare wheels as in the car, with detailed tail lights and unremarkable precision of the Land Rover badging. Now let's check out a side mirror of this model, as it is made of rubber material with silver painted color as much as similar like mirror. It has a decent wipers attached to the windscreen, and we have a Land Rover Defender 110 country station wagon grey by TSM models, a late 2021 release. And I have to say, this car is worth to add in your collection. So what do you guys think? Do you cope up or did you pass on this thing? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you like this video. You can check a new daily releases of diecast in this Y Team Hot Wheels YouTube channel. See you on the next episode.